Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're at Banbury on the Chiltern Main Line. So today we're going to be seeing services by Chiltern Railways, Cross Country, Great Western Railway, and hopefully a little bit of freight as well. If you do about turn, if you have a look up there, that's the Banbury sidings. Up there you can see a Chiltern 165 and one of the newest sets up there as well. So with that all being said and done, let's see what is here, shall we? Let's get started here at Banbury. This next train to turn up is going to be the 1241 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from Birmingham Moor Street. And it looks like it's working the new livery. This will be calling at Bicester North and London Marylebone.
Speak to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police.
Oh, I thought I heard something.
1016.
Oh, get the num when it goes.
Platform 2 for the 1241.
It is 168004. Okay, so we got a 168 Clubman bound for Birmingham Moor Street from London Marylebone. This will be calling at Leamington Spa, Warwick Parkway, Dorridge, Solihull and Birmingham Moor Street. It is 168217. An absolutely gorgeous smell of diesel. Okay, departing now is the 1241 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone and Birmingham Moor Street. Okay, next train to come through should be a 68 just on its own for some reason. Now I can see you. There you are. Pulling the Ghost Train Express. $680726. That sounded absolutely epic when it went under there. Now that is currently going to be stuck at a red light. Okay, 6 drivers of Voyager bound for Bournemouth from Manchester Piccadilly.
New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Platform 2 for the 1258 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Come round here. Kudos taking off then. Coming round the corner is the 1258 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. 22135 on the Manchester service. And departing now is the 12:55 cross country to Bournemouth, running a couple of minutes late now. 221132 is on this. So that's going to be calling at Oxford, Reading, Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central and Bournemouth. Now the 68 is bursting into life. So where's it going to be going? I assume that's going to be it going into Banbury Works. The next driver is going to be another Chiltern Railways clubman going from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. This is going to be calling at Bicester North, Hanham and Tame Parkway, High Wycombe and London Marylebone. And I'll get the number. I'll get the numbers when it goes. Might be another new livery unit. Happy days. Okay, departing now is the 1308 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone. Adrian Shooter.
Platform 2 for the 1311 Chiltern Railways service to
I think,
Moor Street.
You see up at Banbury Works up there, I didn't do some shunting because once I saw a turbo star coming in, but then it went back coming out of the sidings, then it went back in. And here there's a double pairing of 165s. Looking splendid. Okay, coming in at a high speed. This is working the 1311 Chiltern Railway service to Birmingham Moor Street from London Marylebone. 168 106 is working this. And it's another new livery. That's 3 of the purple livery today. Happy days. Okay, departing now is the 1311 Chiltern Railway service to Birmingham Moor Street. Calling at Leamington Spa, Warwick, Warwick Parkway, Dorridge, Solihull and Birmingham Moor Street. Okay, next train to arrive is going to be a terminating Great Western Railway from Didcot Parkway, working their 165 units, and it's 1651122. The next train driver is going to be another clubman bound for London Marylebone, from Birmingham Moor Street. $168,002 is working this. Okay, departing now is the the delayed 1339 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone. Calling at Bicester North and London Marylebone 168002. Company now should be terminating Chiltern Railways from London Marylebone. We'll walk up this way. It's bringing a classmate with it. It's a 5-car set. It is Linears 165003.
Customers are requested.
Nice way from the driver, thank you very much. One 168028 is on the rear.
Platform alteration, the 1305 Chiltern Railway service to London.
That's working the 1342 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway. The next train driver is going to be a Voyager bound for Bournemouth from Manchester Piccadilly. Two 22119. There's the 1356 cross country service to Bournemouth. Coming in now is going to be the 1358 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly. The final one of Part 1. Okay, departing now is the time is it 1558 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly. 221127. With a very full and standing train. Cross country need to sort their game out. 5 or 4 car trains on long distance routes. Mad. Absolutely mad. So that heads towards Manchester. Part 1 shall be ending.